Fatty. 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 Fatty.
You made the zucchini pasta?
Yeah, and we also made some stuffed raw peppers and some date and
What's in this?
apple date kind of like a yogurt kind of.
What's the ingredients in this one?
Apple, dates, bananas, and blueberries.
That's it?
Yeah.
Amazing. I'll try it out.
It's like more like a yogurt, like yogurt, kind of like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It's really good.
Oh, that's the dessert.
Dessert.
What's in that?
Just cucumber. That's all. Sterilized.
Love it. That's yours?
And we made this too. Look,
Oh, raw?
stuffed raw peppers.
They're gone in like Wednesday.
They never break. You gotta break it. They don't break.
This garbage.
What
The cucumber. It touched like one.